handheld laser cutting and welding machine. Installation and operational demonstration. 1. Unscrew the protection cap of the power port and connect to the 220V power supply. 2. The 6 mm gas pipe is connected to the gas eye in the air inlet. 3. Connect the loop safety lock. 4. Install the torch extension tube and adjust it to the focus position. 5. According to different welding needs, to choose the appropriate copper nozzle and adjust the position. 6. Take out the wire feed power cord, one end of the host feeder port, the other end connect to the wire feeder machine. 7. Open the host power switch. Open the wire feeder power switch. 8. Open the side cover of the wire feeder and select the appropriate type of wire feeder for installation according to the required wire specifications. 9. Install the wire feeding assembly and wire feeding tube into the wire feeding machine. 10. Install the wire reel. Manually import the welding wire into a part of the wire feeding tube, and lock the wire feeding wheel. 11. Install the wire feeding front end assembly and tighten the top wire of the wire feeding frame. 12. After manual wire feeding out the wire feeding tube, install the wire feeding assembly to the welding gun. Adjust the position of the wire feeding frame, and tighten the fixing screws. 13. Open the gas tank, set the wire feed speed, and select the appropriate welding material and thickness. 14. After wearing the rope, you can weld normally.